All right, what's up, everybody? We're back like we never left. It's been a while since I've done an actual live stream, um, but we're gonna do one today. Um, oops, let's connect. This is my live account. All right, there we go. Back connected. So, what are we actually looking at? Right, price is dumping. Why are you looking to buy when price is moving straight down? It makes no sense. Just be patient, wait for your setup before you go short. So, what do we have? We had equals here. We just swept those equals. I expect this to go much lower. This is at 937. But how do we get in? That's the question. Let's just check to see if we have any news today. I don't think so. Forex Factory. We have news at 10 o'clock. Trump speaks. What's he speaking on? Uh, he might speak on some tariff stuff today, maybe. We'll see. But in any case, tariffs will make us want to go lower. So look to trade short. There's no need to be looking to trade long. Or if you're quote unquote trading long, where are you trading long to? There's absolutely no sense trading above this level here. This is the next area of liquidity. Once we get there, you should be looking short again. So be patient with it. We're now at 9:45, so now it is trading time. Oh wait. Okay, okay. So what are we looking at? Great question. We swept out this low. So let me do a little breakdown here on the daily. All right. Daily, where are we most likely going to go next? All right, that's the question. Whoops, this low, not there. I think this one's the lowest one. Let me put on my glasses because I can't see jack. Oh, much better, much better, much better. Yeah, so that looks to be the low here. Um, Clearly we have a little bit more to go to it. You can see that there. Hour chart, what are we looking at? Pushing lower, higher, lower. The only place that makes sense, um, if you wanted to buy it was to just go here and that's it. I'm not going any higher than that, and then we go lower again. Um, 15 minute. Where's our liquidity on the 15 minute? Well, 15 minute is technically bullish. However, this opening candle at 9:30 has made things a bit wonky. As I said, I'm still bearish. I'm not looking for any longs. Looking for strictly shorts. What would be great? We come up here, we take this high, and then we look to roll over. That would be fantastic for me and how I like to trade. So that would be coming up here, taking that. Liquidity. There we go. That would be great. My target from here will be this low. Well, really these lows, but ultimately this low here. Um, so yeah, there's no point buying into this. It's just no point. Wait for the setup that makes the most sense and trade accordingly. As of right now, I'm very strongly looking at this inverse. Very strongly looking at that inverse. Time is it? 9:48. Typically, I don't really enter before 9:50 because 9:50 is the start of the macro. Yeah, so see, I wouldn't take that. I'm just a little bit more cautious when it comes to that type of trade. Just a little bit more cautious. But if we're being honest, this is a valid trade, but it's not the type of trade that I like. But very much valid. What I've noticed is finding out the relationship between time and price is so important. Um, and understanding the relationship between time and price. So this actually would have been something like that. Stop above here. Target these lows. That would have been a really good trade. Really good trade. Not upset about it though because it something about it doesn't look right to me. But who cares what I think, right? What I'm gonna look for now, more so on the 10 o'clock hour candle, is some form of pullback and ultimately an entry. So if we're looking at this, how this wick is so dominant, right? This massive dominant candle like that. A wick, sorry, massive dominant wick. I'd look for price to come back up into some of this area and then us to roll over for that 10 o'clock candle and then probably roll over the rest of the day. There's no point. There are two things going on. No point taking a trade before news, and secondly, no point taking a trade. We don't say no point. Taking a trade here on this time and price wasn't the best option for me and how I like to trade. Yeah, we got a reaction. We should be break even at this correct point, and we probably would have been stopped out break even. Um, yeah. It's probably going to push through all of this. Um, Usually not in the last 5 minutes of the candle do we get like a crazy push to push through all this. We may get it, but usually That type of stuff doesn't happen. But who knows, man? With these tariff talks, anything is just possible just to push straight through. But we'll see. Patience. That's why I said patience, patience, patience. This would have been a break-even trade originally. Maybe take partials. Um, maybe take partials. But there was no basis for us to really enter. Yes, we did break this, but as I said, time and price, when it looks like this without taking liquidity, that's not necessarily the best option to take. We're kind of trapped in a range, if we're being honest, from this low to this high. So either we sweep one side and go lower, or we don't trade it. And look at this candle. This candle just moves crazy. Like, we just moved, it's open. We moved 180 points up, then moved 40 points down. So that's 220 points in one candle. Come on, man. Just be patient with it. Let it do its thing. Wait till 10 o'clock candle. Answer then. And the reason we're waiting, I mean, if this came out and we swept, that's a completely different story, but we didn't. So we need to be able to analyze and see, okay, what's most likely going to happen now. No need to rush things. Okay, so 2 more minutes until our what do you call that? 10 o'clock candle. Now this is interesting. Why would the 9:59 candle be pushing so aggressively to the downside, only for the 10 o'clock candle to move probably in a different direction? Very interesting. The formation of a candle and how the candle forms. Once you can learn that, you're golden. But I say, why are we doing it like that? Why are we moving like that? Like, really think about what just happened in the last 20 seconds of the candle, right? We moved 300 points in 20 seconds. You tell me what that means. I think this is an okay trade. This is probably a B trade, right? This one. The biggest issue with it is time and price for my style of trading. Whoops, that's the wrong one. So, no, it's the right one. This one. So time and price in terms of my style of trading, right? I take this. Well, I'm not getting in there. I should say I get in something like this, right? Stop above the amount, the IFEG. Target was these lows slash the previous low that I had marked out, right? Let's just say it's 3R. Cool. If I come in here and I'm, well, maybe probably take 50% here, right? But then you automatically come back up to the break even. Not where you want to be trading. This one too, depending on the trade, probably come back break even. So it's not what you want. And that's all because of time and price. So that's how it helps me save losses. Yeah, I could have gotten a partial, but and honestly, I wouldn't have gotten out. I wouldn't have been stopped out. So I will tell you, I would have been nervous. I might do something here that I haven't really practiced before, which is this right here is order block. OB, where's that? There we go. I used to trade order blocks, but I don't have, I mean, I'll say experience, that's not the right word. I don't have the the needed, oh, what the hell? Yeah, I don't have the needed, what would we call this? Experience trading it. So that would be testing. I don't have like crazy testing numbers for it. And that's why I haven't really been taking them, but it definitely makes sense to take them. Let me just put in my stop loss here. I'm gonna put here. Do this. Stop loss is gonna be here. So that's gonna be a buy stop. Jesus. Buy. What's buy stop? One second, getting this all. Hello. What? Two things. You said that Brandon is not in I don't know what happened with my mic there. But yeah, I was saying that honestly I should still be in this from this point. Stop was supposed to be over here. Over that. But it wasn't. And not to say impulsively, but I impulsively got out, as you can see there, when I was on the phone with my mom. Things like that really piss me off. Especially when she knows that I'm supposed to be, it's, no disturb time. Um, so yeah. Coming back up to break even here, maybe? I don't know. But we'll see. Nope. Those ones. She really pissed me off. Really pissed me off. So yeah, definitely would have been out here, without a doubt. Not too sure where we are in price. Trying to see the hour chart. Oh, we've taken out this low. That's kind of impressive. Yeah, that's the last swing point. Before down here, so I expect some form of reaction. Definitely taking some form of liquidity there. I'm looking at is actually this one. So we've just taken liquidity here. It would be nice if we come close below. I take that short and keep going short. Go short to where, you may ask? The easiest way is really truly just something like this. Standard eaves. Again, that's if we actually do that. But now I'm kind of inclined to wait for these to get taken, but they may not, So kind of just playing it both ways. Come through here, go short. If you don't, then look for this to get taken, then we go short. Yeah, so it looks like it's going to be option number 2. see if we close below. It's looking like quite the aggressive move. Something like that is probably what I'll be looking at. Break-even point would be here. Yeah, let's take it. My buy stop somewhere like this. Yeah. But I mean, I could be totally wrong today, which would be the first time in a very long time that I've been totally wrong. Very long time. Well, take that back. So now I would definitely be break even. Definitely. We'll see where this closes, but I'll hopefully close like this. Then we break even for sure. Yeah, cool being break even here. Cool with it. Now, as I was saying, where would I look to target, right? So, targets for me really and truly should be this. Do I think we come this low? I have no idea. But I'm going to put this is going to be a sell stop. Oh, whoops, this is going to be a buy stop. Whoops, buy stop, buy limit. Put a buy limit there. I'm also going to put a buy limit here. It's about halfway. Right, change this to 1. Modify order. I'm also going to change this to 1. Modify order. So yeah, there we go. We are pushing quite well. Pretty close to that first buy stop. I'm already break even. I should be recouping most of my loss just now from this one quote unquote trade or part of the trade. So yeah. I throw some ones when you do that dance on me. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like how that candle looks. In terms of it dojiing up. Much better. Well, not much better. Yeah. Well, that's the FEG there. Boom shakalaka. So I basically recouped all my
stuff there. We change this to a 1 now. And yeah, just gonna let the rest run, man. Gonna let the rest run. And see where it goes from here. Will we continue lower? I don't know. I think we should. I don't think there's a reason why we wouldn't. Let me put it that way. So let me just kind of put on here what I was looking at. Where exactly is my entry though? Oh, right at it. Right out the open. So yeah, this is pretty much the entry. Like so, something like that. First target was here. Wherever it was. Yeah. This is the first target. Like this. Like this. Let's put 50% on here. Yeah. So that was the first target. And smacked it. So now I'm just gonna let the rest run, man. Whatever it does, it does. Not really too concerned about it. How big is this? I don't really. Ooh, 4x4. For me, a 4.4R trade is pretty big. Kind of like in that 2.5 to 3.5 range. But I might actually get a little bit more aggressive with it. Yeah. Where I think I might actually get a little bit more aggressive with it and actually close at this high. I think I'm gonna do that actually. Close full volume at this high. Mainly because, yeah, I'm out, cool, whatever, I'm done for the day. Recouped all of my losses and made a little bit more on top, so I can't complain, man. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for the day for me. I honestly should have been still in this or slash got out break even, which would have been this move here. That would have been the break even. A little upset about that one, but it is what it is, right? So I have to look back at it, see what I did incorrectly, and keep it pushing. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much the trade setup for the trade setup for me for today. And I'm pretty much done for today.